Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna be smoking some baby back ribs. It is officially grilling season, and you already know what we gotta do. We gotta get these ribs on the grill. We got that Lexington pit boss fired up, ready to go. So we're gonna trim these ribs up, get them seasoned up, get them smoked, then get them on that table. So without further ado, let's focus on this recipe and we'll see you at the work station. All right, we got our baby back ribs, and this is the time of year I absolutely love smoking and grilling, man. I love some good barbecue, and baby back ribs is one of the staples. So you got to get your ribs trimmed up right and get all the excess fat off front and back, because you want your ribs to cook evenly. Now, some people like to leave their membrane on. Now, for this recipe, right, I'm gonna take this membrane off, so you can get a butter knife and then you can stick your finger underneath and then give it a gentle pull like so. Now, sometimes that membrane will not come off in one piece, so you just got to go back and take that bad boy off. Now, like I said, we just want to get these ribs trimmed up where it's gonna cook evenly. Now, this was my second rack, and as you can see, that membrane came off one piece, no problem, right? Now these ribs look all right. Now we going in with some yellow mustard. Now, I was thinking about like some hot dogs with some good chili, because it's that time of year. And like I said, that yellow mustard, we're just going to use that as a binder. Now, that mustard you will not taste, right? So all that flavor will be cooked out. Now we're going in with our favorite barbecue seasoning. And as you can see, I'm going in, even coat front and back, right? And I like to season my meat again, backside first, and then you got your front side. That's your presentation side. And you always want to do that, because that's going to be the side that everybody sees, right? And then make sure you get the sides, and then you're all good to go. Now we're going to do that second rack, and then the power editing. They're ready to go, right? Let these bad boys chill out. But while they're chilling, we're going to smoke these bad boys at 250 degrees. And like I said, we're going to go low and slow. These are going to be some tender, juicy ribs that's going to have that nice smoke flavor on them, right? Now we're going to come back 45 minutes later. We're going to check on these bad boys and check the progress. So as we've, pop that top, we're going to give it a little spritz so that these bad boys don't dry out, right? Now, as you can see, that color is starting to form. These ribs are coming along absolutely amazing. Now, 2.5 hours into the cook, we take these bad boys out. And yeah, I was getting tired, man. Like I said, I wanted to go low and slow. So I'm going to wrap these bad boys in butcher paper. And I want to keep these bad boys moist. So we're going to give these bad boys a wrap like we wrapping some Christmas presents, right? Hey, they do say you can't have Christmas in July, but it ain't even July yet. And I'm still having Christmas. It's going to be these ribs when they done. So we're going to get these bad boys wrapped up, and then we're going to put these back in the smoker. Now, a couple more hours have passed. I got myself back up, and you can see these bad boys are nice and juicy. So now I want to, infuse some more smoke flavor. So I just want to kind of mimic like the mopping process, but not really. So I got some barbecue sauce and some apple cider vinegar. Now I went a little bit heavy on the apple cider vinegar and not the barbecue sauce, because I didn't want, too much barbecue sauce where, the barbecue sauce would burn. But again, trying to get like that mopping effect, right? And then we'll just do both ribs and get these bad boys, glazed up. And we're going to put them back in the smoker for the additional rest of the cook. Now, after they came out, you can see them right there. Got a nice mahogany color. Those look absolutely delicious. So we're going to turn them on the back side so we can expose that rib and know exactly where to cut, right? And then get these bad boys cut up. And I'm going to bring it up so you can see that bark on there. Look at that right there. You in the game. Now, for me and my family, man, we like some saucy ribs. So I'm going to go back and sauce these bad boys up with that barbecue sauce. And then, like I said, I got you in the game. So, fam, there you have it. You got your smoked baby back ribs. And I like my ribs saucy, right? So I went on ahead and sauced these bad boys up. Look at that right there. Now we got to get this bad boy taste test. Now that's absolutely delicious. Look at that right there. Get another bite of that. Now that's absolutely delicious. You got that smoke flavor from them bad boys smoking at 250. And then, like I said, you got a little bark on there. And then for me, I like mine saucy, so just putting a little bit more of that sauce on there. You in the game. Now, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button. And if you like this content, smash that like button. And for the guys that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I gotta do. I gotta smash into these baby back ribs. And we'll see you guys later. Peace.